I was for my car by Ready Minutes TV so and now she said and then your first time I was here you made ya message subscribe na share mama na mechanic say what you comment bibia ngoye bia no e be kan na ya fix am say na be woni say ebeji na and breaking news bi aba say ye de ebe so mu on say Ready Minutes dey information drop here na say ye de ebremu na we ka ya I think say 1 week 2 weeks in here and earthquake BC mechanism Turkey ama nkofo bebre prepare na yeti ene se ye Ghana footballer wagidin wa ase pa Christian Atsu eka earthquake no ma no so dan odem no hopoti na dan no kwahye fo ma Atsu eka ho ye hwehwe Atsu ye behu no ye hwehwe ye behu no eduadua mu na obedi betu dwa se ye hu Atsu mpaboa Ghana dey say ya Atsu mpaboa nipa na wowu ne se hwehwe no mpaboa na yagomu eye ama ne personal baba oyi no ebe information bi say ye hu Atsu still because ebedu bebi na mframa mu say ye hu Atsu ama Atsu ho ye mo da hospital ni ade nti no baba na be kan san say ye hu Atsu no na say still na eguzo hwehwe Atsu nti no Christians mbem kan say Ghana has mpenfo a amosum nyame fan say Christian countries ne ada Ghana ko India bebe fe bia social media bebe fe bia empire boa ye boma Atsu let's pray for Atsu na information me ba no ene yen ntie se Christian Atsu ye hu no se no hoye se ne honye aha na obe hu no but arahosama ba se Christian Atsu is no more Christian Atsu nyame ato nsa fe no wawu ene arahosama o unique se ato yan kasa as Ghanaians ene football fans no enti no information abeto dwa no enti me yan kan o say Ghana International Christian Atsu has been found dead in Turkey following an earthquake that struck in the country last week. The 35-year-old was left in the rock as 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck in the country. Atsu, who plays for Turkish side Hatayspor, together with the club sporting director, were trapped in the Nasanya Christian Atsu ngwan ne roommate ne ada sporting director ni na no we na ka ho ba minim se ada se ne director ne hu no na se hu no dia eno no de mintimi nkora but ye goso ye nhwemu but Atsu de I think say he is no more and information there no. However, after days of search, it has been confirmed that former Chelsea and Newcastle United winger has been found dead. Wow. Confirmed the official news, Atsu agent New Right tweeted saying Atsu was found and unfortunately passed away. And then Christian Atsu is no more. Information say I can't. Christian Atsu is no more. I host them. The point about say coupon for the currency. And then I say, any job there. Kind of say, dear man, during the football career, it's information about say Atsu is no more. So what I say. And this is Atsu busuane ni nuane nyina no eba mo hyedin ya nanso mokonim. So what I say ya pa etinom e mamo yakọ ne kafra Ghana fo nyina no besere mo se munya botre. So what I say esunu de nyame na de ma ono ana agye. So what I say entino besere se abotre bia kana kuma ntunu yem sisi ya na Atsu ye de akura Atsu kọ so hu ebi se se tibi ebi mbe bro pe minima kwa bi onu si menche ha ne de Atsu kọ ne de bro de onfanya hwe enne account wi na no kwa free side ti mesre mo se munya botere na bibia to so jojo di ni family so de ma mo yakọ me da masepa na information fufu bia sa ba eno no afi ne ye hwehwe mu ne de abra mo ti message mo subscribe na ma share so what I say mo be subscribe na my share channel no. Enti no madam as say monya aso na mutie me. The Christian Atsu is no more. Thank you very much for watching. This is Ready Minute TV. Subscribe, leave your comment, make sure you share for me. Okay. So thank you very much. See you next time.